Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to create this. And now the gentleman wants the flag to be the color of a flag. So we're just going to move our ATV driver out of the way. We're going to take our flag and left click, right click. Doesn't really matter what color you use. And we can't make this thing blue because it's going to make the stripes blue. So we need a way to stop the Smart Fill tool from getting there. And so this is the outside, this is the inside. So all we have to do is basically take a 2-point line. Let me zoom in a little bit. And we need to take a 2-point line basically to stop the color from going down into our other color. And you need to be kind of precise, so you can always take the shape tool and like move this line down and try to get it right on that line. I think we're good enough. Now if we, let's move our motorcycle out of the way and let's use the Smart Fill tool on the blue. See, it stopped, the Smart Fill tool stopped. So now we just need to grab the red and fill in all these in red. I missed the box, or I've got a leak, so let me go ahead and do these. And on this one it has 2 parts. So we've got a leak right there, so what we need to do, probably the easiest thing to do would be to remove our blue for just a second. And shouldn't really be leaking, but I guess it is, so we'll grab that node right there and kind of put it on that node. We'll go ahead and double click and put a node there. So I'm double left clicking, put that node to there. Now let's try the red again, and it stopped the leak. So now we're going to go back to the Smart Fill tool and get our blue. And don't ever forget to take away your outline and make it better, so select everything, and then right click no outline. Now we can take and then we need to group this together, Control G. Now we can bring our motorcycle, and you can see it's on the back of the page, so we can go to Object, Order, Front of Page. And there you have it. That would be really cool to print that on a t-shirt, and you know, you could still play around with the young man and put him wherever you want to in the item. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.